happy birthday to me. Today is my birthday. Today is my birthday, guys. And nakabihis kami. Nakabihis kaming tatlo kasi pupunta kami ng breakfast diner. And this is James' first time na pupunta ng restaurant with us. Hindi pa siya, guys, nakapunta sa restaurant. Ito pa yung first time na magkasama kaming tatlo. Kasi kapag pupunta kami ng restaurant, lagi namin siyang iniiwan sa nagbabantay sa kanya. So, let's see how it goes. But James is always a good boy. And hope he's gonna be a good boy today. Because it's Mama's birthday. Right?
Good day, James.
It's so quiet.
Hello. Going to breakfast. Harry likes going to breakfast. So we're not going to her favorite one, but we're going to a one. Yeah. The other one that she really likes has her favorite French toast, but it's a really tiny place, so it would be difficult with the...
Hi, James! I'm excited na si Vivi fam ni Mama ba? Ayan, paalis na kami ng bahay. How many minutes over there, babe?
15 minutes.
10 to 15 minutes. And baby James is excited. He always sit next to Mama. What you get in there? Oh no, he vomit.
What? Did he?
Why you got milk in there?
Hello. Gotta get some gas first. Look at that boy.
Ooh, wallpaper ni Dominic, guys. Look at that. Ooh. Where is my picture now?
You were replaced.
Our place already, James. What have you done? Where's my husband? Dominic always do that, guys. Like, he's knocking at the window, playing with James. Where's Dada? Hello? So, James toys, guys, this time, he got, may kutsara siya dito. Ito, favorite niya to. Kasi nagtitithing na naman siya. Yung bottom molar niya, guys, tumutubo na. So, ito, maganda to sa atin na niya. Daddy's boy talaga tong batang to. Hey, Daddy playing Daddy with you? Huh, James? Afam? Afam? James? James? He's ignoring me. James, say hi to my vlog. Sinabi, it's Mama's birthday vlog. Waiting for his dad to play again. James!
Where are you?
Bo, big boy ba? James! Where are you? Are you gonna eat some eggs?
Yeah.
Bo, look at that. Cuter version of Dad.
Oh, right. Let's get in here, boy. Get your legs in. Help me out. He's trying to stand.
You sit me. Like this, see?
There you go. Good job.
Good boy.
Yeah, no, I don't know if this is gonna fit around you here. You got a big belly.
This is better than yours? Big color.
Woo! Good job.
Color. That's yours? Mama got the yellow one.
I'll watch him. He might eat it or drop it.
Like this.
Good job, James.
He knows how to pick it up too. Here you go, you get it. You're always dropping the crayons.
Yeah. What do you think, buddy? Not bad here?
Not bad. Wow, color. Is that color? Color. James, how's your food?
I told Tony last night. He got a quarter tank.
Yeah.
That's good. James got some eggs with grits. Oh, good boy, bata.
You got a bowl of grits over here.
What you got, babe?
I got fried chicken. That's what it's called. And then just fried chicken, eggs, hash browns, shredded hash browns. And then I got some biscuits.
Chicken for breakfast.
Covered in gravy.
Some grits. This is for James. Food, scrambled egg. And this is mine. Got some bacon and a sausage.
Oh yeah, the bacon's mine.
And I got a pancake. We both got coffees.
Plate.
And Dominic still have some
Biscuits. Oh, James, plate.
Yeah. Jim. Try this one.
Yeah. How you doing, Mama?
I'm good.
Yeah. He's keeping us busy. Nope. It's not the same as just eating me and you.
He's enjoying his food. So.
Yeah, he is.
Wow.
Ooh. Make sure you chew it. Good job, James.
No, not 7,000.
Everybody, guys. Nasa bahay na kami. And si Baby Afam, guys, natulog. Nasubrahan ata ng kain ng maraming carbs. Kasi ang dami niyang kinain carbs, guys. Meron siyang pancake. Nag-try din siya ng potatoes. Meron din siyang grits. Ayun. Parang eggs lang ata yung protein na kinain niya kanina. So, ayun. Nasa car kami, guys. Tulog na talaga siya. Tapos, nung dumating kami ng bahay, ayun, nilagay na namin siya sa bed. Hindi talaga siya gumalaw. Meron pala kami mga takeover sa aming breakfast kanina. Ayan, guys. Meron din tayo dito. Ayan, pancake tsaka yung grits. So, ito ibibigay natin to kay James. And by the way pala, may binigay si Dominic at saka si Baby James sa akin. Kasi nung nag-date pa kami ni Dominic, lagi kaming nagbibigayan ng mga cards sa aming special occasions like birthday, anniversary, ayun. So, we want to continue that gestures. So, ayan, ito bigay sa akin ni Dominic. Ayan, may coffee buddy. Kasi talaga, coffee na lang talaga yung nagpapaka sa amin. Lalo na ngayon may anak kami. So, ayun guys, hindi ko nababasahin yung letter. Ayan. May quote siya dito. Tapos, meron din siyang personal letter from Dominic. Ayan yung handwritten ni Dominic. Ayan, kung makikita nyo guys, yan yung handwritten niya, di ba? Aww, napaka-sweet. Tapos, yan yung mga nasa loob ng cards. Ayan. Last birthday ko kasi, kakapanganak ko pa lang noon kay James. So, ito, second birthday ko na nakasama siya. And ito naman, binilhan siya ni Dominic. Tapos ito says, from James. Ayan, guys. Diba? Ang cute. Pink na pink. Ayan. Tapos, of course, si Dominic din nagsulat niya. Napaka-sweet. I love you, Mama. I love eating rice with you. Love your Asian baby James. Ang cute. Ang sweet ng mag-ama, guys. Sana si James lumaki siya ng ganito din. Gusto ko, pag lumaki si James, sa birthday or anniversary namin ng daddy niya, kahit itong cards lang to, tapos may sulat lang siya ng mga special message, okay na sa akin yung gift yun, guys. Kasi, iba talaga kapag nakasulat yung gift mo, kasi talagang galing sa puso yun, di ba? Unlike kapag bumili ka ng isang item para i-gift mo sa isang person, parang feeling ko hindi mo siya pinag-isipan. Parang less special siya, kumbaga. Pero ito kasi guys, habang sinusulat mo, pinag-isipan mo at talagang sinusulat mo siya na galing sa iyong puso. So parang na-appreciate ko itong mga ganitong bagay. Tsaka ano siya, talagang makip mo siya forever. Tapos meron din silang chocolate dito, dalawa. So sabi ni Dominic, yung ito para daw sa akin yan. Tapos ito, share daw kami. Last but not the least, meron pala tayo dito ang Filipino dessert na galing sa aking coworkers. And makonsider ko talaga siya na she's one of my friend kasi we've been working for a long time. Probably almost 4 years na. And ayan, napaka-sweet kasi every birthday ko talagang binibigyan niya ako ng gift. Last year, binigyan niya ako ng bouquet of flower. Ayun, so napaka-sweet nila. So this year, ito yung binigay niya sa akin kasi today is my actual day pero hindi siya nag-work ng Monday. So kaya binigay niya yung gift na to Friday. So ilang araw na din to guys, hindi pa namin nakain. So mamaya ito try natin with Baby James. Meron tayo ditong leche flan. Meron tayo ditong turon guys. And meron tayo ditong ube cariola or canola. Ayan. Hindi pa ako nakatikim nito. Parang unique siya. But, yeah, ito try natin mamaya kapag nagising si Baby James. Diba? Napaka-sweet. Kasi alam niya na I love food. So, ito yung binigay niya sa akin. Guys, look at our baby Afam. Pass out. Guys, look at the kid. Still sleeping and the same position still. James. James.
Time to wake up, buddy.
James.
A nice long nap.
He sleeps so long. Like 1.5 hours, guys.
Yeah.
And he's still sleeping.
How was your nap, buddy? What's your arm? James.
James. Feel bad if we wake him up.
What's your arm, buddy?
Hey, look at James. You got some saliva in there.
Drool.
You're drooling, V.
Buddy.
Like a lot of carbs, boy. He's here.
Oh, God.
He looks like me.
So sleepy, huh?
He never opened his eyes.
Not gonna wake up?
So how am I gonna try that Filipino food? Is my partner sleeping?
Yeah.
Hi, babe.
Hey. Poor guy.
Guys, he never opened his eyes.
Super sleepy.
James!
Oh, hey, buddy. Nice. Big stretch. Big stretch. There you go.
Still sleeping.
You wanna wake up? So you guys leave me alone.
Oh, yay! I see his eyes.
Hi, buddy.
Hi, bud.
Good morning. That's a long nap.
Morning, buddy.
Can you sleep good? I get a hug? You just...
Oh,
You get a hug? Okay, I'm sorry. I won't hug you.
James just like same like me when you wake him up and if he's not ready. He's kind of like grumpy too.
You sit up.
James!
Hi, buddy. You okay? Good morning. Did you have a nice nap? You're a good boy. Eyes
He's
closed.
sleeping.
You gonna go back to sleep? What? What? You're a sleepy boy today, huh? Maybe you're still growing. You growing again? He's been sleeping a lot lately.
Yeah.
Last week. Hanging in there. It's probably gonna pass right back out if I do this.
Yeah, he's sleeping.
Gonna go watch Bluey.
He opened his eyes.
Did he? Oh, Miss Rachel.
Where is Bluey?
Oh.
Oh no.
Oh, we can go see
Bluey.
We can go see the doggies.
Or doggies. He opened his eyes and said Bluey.
Oh,
James, Bluey. Hey, Bluey baby. Hi vlog! Baby James is awake na vlog! Hi vlog! Hi vlog! Hi vlog! Kasi nagising na ang ating baby Afam. Ito try na namin ang ating Filipino dessert. May work kasi si Dada guys, kaya hindi siya makapag-join sa amin. James, are you ready? Ready? Woo! First try natin is ang leche flan. Yay! Yan yung ating leche flan. What do you think of that? Do you like it? Mmm. Yummy beef. Wanna try? What do you think? Okay. Looks like James like it. Good job. Ay, nalaglag man, babe. Narinig niyo yun, guys? Yummy daw, yummy. Mama, turn up. Okay, baby turn, baby turn. Okay. Good. That's good. Ooh, yummy. I'm so proud of you. Yung turon dito, guys, parang lumpia siya. I think James can't have it yet. Wanna try, James? lahat na lang sa kanya. Ay, it's so good? Approve? Yeah? Hindi ko alam kung ano tong sauce na to, guys, pero kasama ito sa binili niya. Is that good? Medyo mainit-init pa kasi siya. Okay. Small bite, huh? Yes? Approve? Yeah? Masarap siyang turon kasi meron siyang langka sa loob. Bye-bye, everyone! Thank you for watching Mama's birthday vlog. See you again next time. Bye-bye! I'm going to eat na. I'm so hungry. Yay! Bye-bye! Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye over there. Bye! Like this, shake, shake. Bye! Who's learning? Bye! Snap! Yeah!